Interface has been the trusted world leader in force measurement for nearly half a century. We lead by designing, manufacturing, and guaranteeing the highest performance and most accurate products available. Our engineers have always provided solutions for our customers and just about any industry. From grams or force to millions of pounds in hundreds of configurations. Interface supports high-accuracy force measurement by providing load cells for force, thrust, and braking measurements to Fortune 100 companies worldwide. We are the preeminent supplier to companies such as Boeing, Embry Air, Airbus, NASA, NIST, and many other measurement and metrology labs throughout the world. We also produce and sell machine calibration system software and system components to support a variety of test standards including ASTM E74, ISO 376 Bill Standard ANSI 540 and EN 10002-3.